Hi guys.
A benchtop planer is a woodworking tool used to smooth and flatten rough lumber and boards. It consists of a rotating cutter head with multiple blades that shave off layers of wood as it passes through the planer. Adjustable depth settings allow precise control over the thickness of the wood, making it ideal for creating smooth, uniform surfaces. Benchtop planers are essential in carpentry and woodworking shops for preparing materials for furniture, cabinetry, and other projects requiring precise dimensions and smooth finishes.
So let's get started. Number 5.
Delta 13-inch thickness planer. The planer is designed to provide precision and performance for woodworking enthusiasts and professionals alike. With its robust features and thoughtful design, this planer ensures high-quality results and ease of use.
Powerful 15A motor.
At the heart of the Delta 22-555 is a powerful 15A motor capable of handling the most demanding woodworking tasks. This motor provides consistent power to tackle a variety of wood types, ensuring smooth and efficient planing even with tough hardwoods.
Stable 4-column design.
The planer features a 4-column design that offers excellent stability. This sturdy construction minimizes vibration and ensures smooth, accurate planing. The stability provided by the 4 columns is crucial for achieving precise thickness and a flawless finish on your workpieces.
Quick change knife system.
Changing knives is a breeze with the Delta 22-555's quick change knife system. The dual-edge disposable knives can be replaced without the need for complex alignment jigs, saving you time and effort. This feature allows you to maintain the sharpness of your blades easily, ensuring consistent performance. Adjustable in-feed and out-feed tables. To better support long pieces and reduce snipe, the planer is equipped with adjustable in-feed and out-feed tables. These tables provide the necessary support to keep your workpieces flat and stable, resulting in a more accurate and smooth finish.
Reversible dust port.
Dust management is made convenient with the reversible dust port. This feature allows you to collect chips and debris from either the right or left side of the planer, providing flexibility in setting up your workspace and keeping it clean. The Delta Power Tools 22-555 13-inch portable thickness planer combines power, precision, and convenience. Its powerful motor, stable design, quick-change knife system, adjustable tables, and efficient dust management make it an excellent choice for achieving high-quality results in woodworking projects. The next is
Number 4. Automatic feeding, grinding woodworking, press planer.
The planer is a multifunctional electric planer designed to meet the diverse needs of home woodworking enthusiasts. With its robust power and user-friendly features, this planer is an ideal addition to any small workshop.
Powerful motor for efficient planing.
Equipped with a rated power of 1,800 watts, this planer delivers ample power for efficient material removal. The powerful motor ensures that even the toughest hardwoods can be planed smoothly and quickly, making it a reliable tool for a wide range of woodworking tasks.
Automatic feeding mechanism.
One of the standout features of this planer is its automatic feeding mechanism. This feature allows for continuous and consistent feeding of the workpiece, ensuring a uniform finish without the need for manual intervention. The automatic feed not only improves efficiency but also reduces the effort required from the user, making it easier to achieve professional quality results.
Grinding capability.
In addition to its planing functions, this versatile tool also offers grinding capabilities. This dual functionality allows users to perform a variety of tasks with a single machine, saving both space and money. Whether you're smoothing out rough surfaces or preparing wood for finishing, the grinding feature enhances the tool's versatility and usefulness in the workshop.
User-friendly design.
The small and compact design of this planer makes it suitable for household use. Its multifunctional capabilities, combined with its easy-to-use features, make it a perfect choice for DIY enthusiasts and hobbyists. The rated voltage of 50 Hz ensures compatibility with standard household electrical systems, allowing for easy setup and use. The automatic feeding and grinding woodworking press planer is a powerful and versatile tool designed for home workshops. Its 1,800 watts motor, automatic feeding mechanism, and grinding capability make it a valuable addition to any woodworking setup. The next is
Number 3.
VVER Electric Planer Benchtop 13-inch Wood Planer. The wood planer is a high-performance tool designed to meet the demanding needs of DIY woodworking enthusiasts. With its powerful motor, precise cutting capabilities, and user-friendly features, this planer is an excellent choice for both novice and experienced woodworkers.
Robust motor for efficient operation.
The VVER electric thickness planer is equipped with a 15-amp, 2000 watts motor that delivers a remarkable 23,500 RPM. This high-speed motor ensures efficient material removal, allowing users to achieve smooth and even surfaces quickly. The planer's power is well suited for handling a variety of wood types, from softwoods to hardwoods.
Generous in feed table and cutting capacity.
The planer features a 12-inch in feed table, providing ample support for larger workpieces. This design helps maintain stability and accuracy during operation. The maximum cutting depth of 1/8 inch, 0.3 centimeter, and maximum cutting thickness of 6 inches, 15 centimeters, offer versatility, making it possible to tackle a wide range of projects from
thin veneer work to substantial wooden beams. 2-speed feed rate for versatility.
One of the notable features of the VVER planer is its 2-speed feed rate, which allows users to adjust the feeding speed according to their specific project requirements. With a feeding speed of 236 inches per minute, 6 meters per minute, users can choose between faster material removal or a finer finish, depending on the needs of their project.
3-blade cutting system.
The planer is equipped with a 3-blade cutting system, which ensures a clean and smooth finish on the wood surface. The VVER electric thickness planer benchtop 13-inch wood planer combines power, precision, and versatility, making it an ideal tool for DIY woodworking. Its robust motor, generous cutting capacity, adjustable feed rate, and efficient 3-blade cutting system ensure high-quality results for a variety of woodworking projects. The next is
Number 2.
WORX 13-inch Benchtop Planer. The thickness planer stands out as a robust and efficient tool, ideal for both professional woodworkers and DIY enthusiasts. Its innovative design and powerful features make it a valuable addition to any workshop.
Spiral cutter head with 26 HSS blades.
One of the standout features of the WORX 1326 is its spiral cutter head, which incorporates 26 staggered and rotatable high-speed steel HSS blades. This configuration ensures a cleaner, smoother finish on the wood compared to traditional straight knife planer designs. The spiral arrangement reduces tear out and leaves a finer surface, significantly reducing the need for additional sanding.
Onboard material removal gauge.
To enhance precision, the planer includes an onboard material removal gauge. This feature informs users about the cutting depth of each pass, allowing for meticulous adjustments and consistent results. Whether working with hardwood or softwood, users can achieve the desired thickness with ease and accuracy.
Capacity and versatility.
The WORX 1326 is capable of planing boards up to 6 inches thick and 13 inches wide. This generous capacity accommodates a wide range of projects requirements, from furniture making to cabinetry. Its versatility makes it suitable for a variety of woodworking tasks, ensuring it can handle both small and large-scale projects efficiently.
Powerful 15-amp motor.
Equipped with a 15-amp motor, the WORX 1326 generates an impressive 10,000 RPM. This powerful motor, combined with a feed rate of 26 feet per minute, ensures quick and efficient material removal. The high-speed operation allows users to complete tasks swiftly without compromising on the quality of the finish. The WORX 1326 15-amp 13-inch spiral benchtop thickness planer is a high-performance tool that delivers precision, efficiency, and versatility. Its advanced features, including the spiral cutter head, onboard material removal gauge, and powerful motor, make it an excellent choice for woodworking professionals and hobbyists alike. The next is
Number 1. The JET 13-inch Benchtop Planer.
This is a formidable tool in the world of woodworking, blending precision, power, and convenience to meet the needs of both hobbyists and professionals. This planer boasts a helical-style cutter head equipped with 6 rows of 26 individual quick-change high-speed steel inserts. This design ensures a smoother and quieter cut, significantly enhancing the user experience by reducing noise and vibrations. One of the standout features of this planer is its precision machine cast iron bed and steel cover. These components work together to keep boards flat and minimize snipe, a common issue in planing. The sturdy construction provides a stable platform for accurate and consistent results, making it an invaluable addition to any workshop. The 4-post design of the Jet 13-inch benchtop planer offers maximum control and support for the cutter head. This feature ensures that the cutter head remains stable during operation, leading to precise and even cuts every time. Additionally, the planer is powered by a robust 2 HP 15-amp motor, which turns the cutter head at an impressive 10,000 RPM. This high-speed operation allows for efficient and effective material removal, making quick work of even the toughest woods. Flexibility and convenience are also key aspects of this planer. The adjustable folding and feed and outfeed tables can be leveled to the bed, ensuring smooth material feed and reducing errors. When not in use, these tables can be folded, saving valuable shop space. The Jet planer accommodates a maximum depth of cut of 1/8 with a 6 depth and 13 width capacity, allowing for a wide range of project sizes. For consistent, repetitive cuts, the adjustable depth stop is a crucial feature. It allows users to set the desired thickness, ensuring uniform results across multiple boards. So this is the best option for you to buy.